I recorded this video on last Saturday, October 31st, when I was doing my UFO summoning technique. Then this plane came by very close on a very low altitude. I recorded, and I see front of the plane something else came up very fast, as you can see on the over there on the video. I took some still pictures to analyze this object. It looks like flying disc, flying saucer or something. It's like brown or red, some of the two colors. I can see the size. You can say maybe it's like 3 or 4 meters. It's like the sideway, the size of the wings of the plane. Okay, you like this video and you like to see some other ones, not exactly like this one, but you can subscribe to my channel. My channel is SUBTE05 Ledesma. It's gonna be at the end of the video, in a short caption or in the description. Okay, thanks for watching.